Welcome seekers to the Mystic 12. Today we embark on a journey through time and destiny, exploring the cryptic prophecies of Michel de Nostradamus, the 16th century seer, whose words continue to echo through the corridors of time. We'll look into the astrological currents of September 2024, a period Nostradamus has highlighted, a time when the very fabric of wealth and prosperity may be rewritten. We are looking at those zodiac signs that will receive of a life-altering fortune. It could manifest as a life-changing jackpot. Now let's look at September to see who will be the newest millionaires. Aries, the trailblazers, the pioneers, the first sign in the zodiacal wheel. Nostradamus, in his cryptic verses, speaks of a fiery ram charging head first into a shower of golden rain. Could this be a direct reference to our Aries brethren destined for a September to remember? The stars seem to align with Nostradamus's vision. Aries, your ruling planet Mars, the fiery embodiment of action and ambition, will be making a powerful transit through your second house of finances. This alignment speaks of a surge in income, unexpected opportunities, and yes, even a stroke of luck that could manifest as a lottery win. But it's not just blind luck, dear Aries. Your inherent courage, your willingness to take calculated risks, to seize the moment, these qualities, amplified by the celestial dance, will draw fortune to your doorstep. Imagine, if you will, receiving an unexpected phone call, a notification on your phone announcing you as the latest lottery winner. This isn't just a fantasy, Aries. The stars are aligning, the prophecies are whispering, and your own inner drive is reaching a fever pitch. This September, the universe conspires to shower you with abundance. The question is, are you ready to receive it? Remember, Nostradamus often cloaked his prophecies in symbolism. The golden rain could manifest in myriad ways: a lucrative business deal, a sudden inheritance, or yes, even that life-altering jackpot. The key is to remain open, to trust your instincts, and above all to embrace the possibilities that this September holds. Aries, the universe is calling. Will you answer the call of destiny? Taurus, the steadfast, the reliable, the anchor of the zodiac, you are the rock that others lean on, the symbol of unwavering strength. You are known for your patience, your dedication, your unwavering commitment to building a secure and comfortable life. Your persistence is legendary, and your ability to stay the course is unmatched. And now, dear Taurus, the stars align to reward your hard work. The universe recognizes your efforts and is ready to bestow its blessings upon you. Nostradamus speaks of a patient bull standing strong amidst a field of blossoming abundance. This imagery is a testament to your enduring spirit and the prosperity that awaits you. This, my friends, is a clear indication that Taurus is in for a period of unprecedented financial prosperity. Your hard work and perseverance are about to pay off in ways you never imagined. Your ruling planet Venus, the embodiment of love, beauty, and yes, material wealth, graces your house of fortune this September. This celestial event is a powerful omen of the good fortune coming your way. This alignment is a harbinger of good tidings, Taurus. It signals a time of joy, prosperity, and positive outcomes in all your endeavors. Investments you've made, perhaps long forgotten, could yield unexpected returns. These hidden treasures are about to come to light, bringing you financial gains. A business venture nurtured with your characteristic diligence could blossom into a cash cow. Your careful planning and hard work are about to bear fruit, and yes, even the fickle finger of fate in the form of a lottery ticket could spin in your favor. The universe has many ways to reward you. Imagine Taurus checking your lottery numbers, your heart pounding with a mix of anticipation and disbelief as you realize you won. The thrill of such a moment is indescribable. The jackpot, the one you've dreamt of, is now yours. This windfall is a testament to your patience and perseverance. This isn't just a possibility, Taurus, it's a very real probability, written in the stars and echoed in the words of Nostradamus. The universe is aligning in your favor. Remember, Taurus, you are not one to chase fleeting fancies. Your grounded nature ensures that you make wise and thoughtful decisions. You are grounded, practical, and your approach to wealth is measured. This careful planning will serve you well in the times to come. But this September, allow yourself to dream a little bigger, to embrace the possibility of a life-altering windfall. Let your imagination soar and envision the life you desire. The stars are aligned, the prophecies are clear, and your own hard work has laid the foundation for abundance. The universe is ready to reward you. Taurus, September 2024 could be the month your financial dreams transform into tangible reality. Embrace this moment and prepare for the abundance that awaits you. Gemini, the communicator, the quick-witted, the social butterfly of the zodiac, you are the life of the party, the one who can talk to anyone about anything. You thrive on information, on connection, and your adaptability is your superpower. Your ability to juggle multiple interests and conversations is unparalleled. And this September, dear Gemini, those very qualities will draw fortune to your doorstep. Opportunities will come knocking, and you'll be ready to seize them. Nostradamus, in his enigmatic verses, speaks of twins dancing through a whirlwind of opportunities, their laughter echoing with the sweet jingle of coins. This imagery is a perfect representation of the abundance coming your way. This, my friends, is a clear indication that Geminis are in for a period of unprecedented financial luck. The stars are aligning in your favor, and the universe is ready to reward your efforts. Your ruling planet Mercury, the swift messenger of the gods, will be forming a rare trine with Jupiter, the planet of Expansion and abundance in your house of finances. This celestial event is a powerful omen of prosperity. This alignment is like a cosmic lightning strike electrifying your financial life with potential. It's a rare and powerful moment that you must take advantage of. Imagine Gemini stumbling upon a forgotten lottery ticket tucked away in your wallet, a small, seemingly insignificant piece of paper that holds the key to your dreams. You check the numbers almost as an afterthought, and suddenly your heart leaps into your throat. The realization dawns on you that you've hit the jackpot. You've won the jackpot. The one you've jokingly dreamt of is now yours. It's a moment of pure joy and disbelief. This isn't just a whimsical fantasy, Gemini. It's a very real possibility that the universe is presenting to you. The stars are aligning, the prophecies are whispering, and your own innate ability to spot an opportunity will be heightened. Your intuition will guide you to the right paths this September. The universe is conspiring to shower you with unexpected windfalls. Be prepared to embrace the abundance that is coming your way. Remember, Gemini, your mind is your greatest asset. Your intelligence and quick thinking will be your tools for success. Use your intelligence, your charm, and your adaptability to navigate the opportunities that will present themselves this September. Your social skills will open doors you never imagined. Trust your instincts, follow your curiosity, and don't be afraid to take a chance or two. The risks you take now could lead to great rewards. Gemini, the winds of fortune are blowing in your direction. Feel the breeze of change and let it guide you. Spread your wings and to new heights of financial abundance. The sky is the limit, and your potential is boundless. Cancer, the nurturer, the empathetic, the heart of the zodiac. You are the emotional anchor, the one who feels deeply and loves unconditionally. You are guided by your intuition, your deep connection to the emotional world, and your unwavering loyalty to those you love. This profound sensitivity is your greatest strength, and this September, dear Cancer, those very qualities will lead you to a treasure chest of financial abundance. Your intuitive nature will be your compass. Nostradamus, in his cryptic quatrain, speaks of a crab, guided by the light of the moon, uncovering a hidden treasure buried beneath the sands of time. This ancient prophecy seems to be pointing directly at you. This, my friends, is a clear indication that Cancers are about to experience a period of extraordinary financial luck. The stars are aligning in your favor. Your ruling celestial body, the moon, the embodiment of intuition and emotional intelligence, will be making a powerful transit through your house of fortune this September. This transit is a rare and auspicious event. This alignment is like a beacon illuminating the path to prosperity and showering you with blessings. It's as if the universe is lighting the way for you. Imagine Cancer experiencing a sudden, inexplicable urge to purchase a lottery ticket. This urge is not random, it is a sign. You might even dismiss it at first, but the feeling persists. A gentle nudge from the universe. It's a whisper that grows louder, urging you to take action. You give in choosing numbers that resonate with your intuition. These numbers are not just digits, they hold a special significance. Days later, you're staring at those same numbers, your heart pounding as you realize you've won. The moment is surreal, almost magical. This isn't just a fantastical dream, Cancer, it's a reality that is unfolding before your eyes. The stars are aligned, the prophecies are whispering, and your own innate intuition is reaching a fever pitch. Everything is coming together in perfect harmony this September. The universe is conspiring to guide you towards financial freedom, perhaps even a life-altering jackpot. The possibilities are endless. Remember, Cancer, your intuition is your superpower. It is your inner guide, your personal compass. Trust those gut feelings, those whispers from your subconscious. They are messages from the universe. They are the universe's way of guiding you towards your destiny. Follow them with confidence and faith this September. Allow yourself to be led by your heart, by those subtle signs and synchronicities that often go unnoticed. Pay attention to the details, Cancer. The universe is conspiring in your favor, orchestrating a symphony of abundance just for you. The cosmic energies are aligning perfectly. Open your heart, trust your intuition, and prepare to receive the financial blessings that are rightfully yours. Embrace the abundance that is coming your way as we conclude our journey through Nostradamus's prophecies and the celestial alignments of September 2024. Remember this: the power to shape your destiny lies within you. The stars may guide us, but ultimately we are the captains of our own fate. So embrace the possibilities that this September holds. Step into your power, claim the abundance that is rightfully yours, and watch as your financial dreams blossom into reality. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know you're ready to receive this wealth. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of the Mystic 12. Until next time, may the stars align in your favor.